If you've been looking for a safer, more eco-friendly alternative for your family home, but you're not really sure where to start, Try Nature's starter sets are the perfect choice for you. So in the green cleaning starter set, you'll be receiving all of these plant-based wonders, starting with the Optimate Floor Cleaner, which is great for use on all floor surfaces, including floorboards. Sphagnum moss disinfectant, which can be used for disinfection throughout the entire home. Highline Glass Cleaner, which contains Try Nature's unique technology of resisting future finger marks and smudges. Supre Multi-Purpose Cleaner, which is a eucalyptus-based cleaner, great around kitchen areas for cleaning up those greasy contaminations. And XL Bathroom Cleaner, which will take care of everything in the bathroom, the shower, the bath, the toilet, the vanities, everything. And finally, you'll receive a free sample of the Ultra Cream Cleanser, which is fantastic for use on the kitchen sink and your fixtures and fittings as well.